Let's discuss the Molle series of buckles. There are 5 types of male buckles, as shown above. The female buckle comes in 3 types. 1. Hugging type. 2. Strapping type. 3. Integrated magnetic buckle with water bottle. First, we introduce the 1-inch Molle webbing. Insert buckle. Pass the male buckle through 2 layers of Molle webbing and secure it with the clip-on design. Each male buckle type matches perfectly with 3 female buckle types, offering more flexible combinations. The female buckle can open upward or downward, based on personal preference. The second type of Molle male buckle is a clip, suitable for webbing up to 70 millimeters wide. When fastening, choose from 3 settings to secure webbing of varying thicknesses. When traveling, attach your ID holder or wallet directly to your backpack. Water bottles can also be carried conveniently. The third type of Molle male buckle is a clamping type, suitable for webbing up to 50 millimeters wide with horizontally arranged magnets. The tool can be carried with a strap-type buckle, making it convenient for use during work. The fourth type of Molle male buckle is a clamping type with vertically arranged magnets, similar to the third. The fifth type of Molle male buckle is an upgraded version of the third type with an added rotating function. It is very necessary to adjust the angle of personal belongings in different situations. For example, when fishing, adjust the angle of your fishing rod or landing net as you bend over. All combinations of the above Molle buckles can be used directly. It greatly facilitates travel for people from various groups